just call the function and create many buttons by just calling functions. So let's look at the code of that. So here we put the function in between the head tag, and then here we'll call the function by toggle and then putting the argument this, and then this will replace the t. So we use this toggle function 1, 2, 3 4 times and create 4 buttons. Instead of copy and paste this 4 times. So now we're gonna organize these functions into all these actions, and we're gonna put them in a object. So it's like a tidying up all the actions, and we group them, and then we call the method, which is function. We call the functions within the object. So let's create object first. So let's create object bar, and we're gonna call this object body object. And here we're going to create this method and this method. So copy and paste that and put it here. And that will be it'll be a method. And how do you create a method? First of all, you call method name. This is styling the background, coloring the background color. So I'm gonna name it color EG. And function and that and that. Here we go. So here we go. We got one method called color background, color BG. All right, so we create one more to color the font. So we're gonna color the font now. Font 2, because there are many letters. Like that. And I'm gonna color the font like that. Copy and paste. Like that. And I've got 2 methods. I'm gonna separate the method by comma. There's 2 methods. The thing is, the body tag is a variable that holds this. So instead of using body tag, we're just gonna use copy and paste this. So I'm gonna replace that. And this one, body tag. All right, so create a one object called body object. Now, what other actions? These are like actions here as well. While loop is action. So we're gonna create an object called link object. So here we're gonna call method name. What we're gonna call the method name? So we're gonna color the link. Let's do color links. Links. That's the method name. Actually, it's not equal here. Sorry. You put method with columns. I'm really bad at typing. And then function. All right. And in here, we're going to put all these actions. All that. Including this curly bracket. right? So 1, 2, 3 curly bracket here. 1, 2, 2, 3. So all the curly bracket numbers are correct. And here in the functions, we want to set these colors when we call the function. So we're gonna just replace it with the parameter, and then this parameter will be here. All the colors will be parameters. So it can be used with the various different colors, depends on how we set when we call the function. Okay, and then here we have a function, and then let's replace these functions with the object. Right, so we don't need this anymore because we kind of stated here. So we don't need this. And then here, we're gonna call the function. Like, how do we do that? Like, I'll show you. Object. What's the object name? It's a body object, right? Body object. But method was color BG. Color BG. And then we'll call it like that. Color BG. And do we want to put the color light blue? We can put it in here. And then they will replace the color light blue like that. Or this one can be replaced. So we did that. And this one can be called here. The color font. Color font here. Color font. And then call the function. Then there's a color parameter. Color parameter here as well. And color parameter here. Sorry. Color parameter. So we can put a color here. It was purple, wasn't it? Purple. So we can get rid of that. Like this X as just to show it's a parameter. So X will be placed with this parameter. So it's pointing, referring the input text here, input text, this. It's pointing the input box. So when we get the value, we get the day. So X value, we get night, X value, we get the day. So yeah, X value. That means we're gonna get the input tag value. And here, all these went in here, right? So we just gotta call this and that. Link object method color links. I'm just gonna go copy that. Color links and put it here. Set link object dot color links and call it. Yeah, and then we get rid of all that. we had a color equals color. So it has a color parameters, which will go here. So put it olive. And while loop we should go to. So yeah, it's neater now. And here, same thing. It's just different color. Like that. Body object, color background, and then color fonts. This is changing the color fonts. We'll just call the method within an object, which is like a calling a function within an object. Because we organize all the method functions into the object. We organize functions into the object. So here we go as well. The one light gray. So I'm calling the function, which is method within the object. And then here I change into x. X refers to this element. And then this can be replaced by link object. Link method and link object. What was the method name? Color links. There we go. Color links. That's right. It's got color parameters, so we can put the color in as well. So what's the color? Link olive. So keep it as olive as well. Okay. So we just need a one rocket. Or do we? Oh, we need a two. One for the function. Yeah, so we need a one for the else, if. And one for the function. We need a two like that. So it looks neater. We're calling all the object method. So let's call the this function toggle x. So let's see, we called it 3 times here and 1 time at the bottom. Let's see if it works. Should be the same. Yay, it works. Yay, it works. We just changed the code into object style. And let's see, we can even do more. Let's have a many parameters. Let's get all the colors. Like we'll get color background, color font, color links, and then color background. It'll be very confusing. I think I'll stop it here. Oh, I thought I want to give it here. Do it on the button. Instead of this, we could put like color background, color all these colors. Seems like it's a hassle because the names are repeating. All the parameter names are repeating, and then it's different. So better not do it this way. Just keep it this way. Okay, all done. Thank you. Oopsie. I need to stop these.